think the course absolutely prepares you for anything that's going to come your way through this. And it's just airborne all the way, send it, jump.
There's a moment, standing at the door, wind roaring in your face, where fear meets purpose.
Here at Airborne School, we train 400 to 500 students per class. Each of these students come from units all over the Army with various different backgrounds, various different MOSs, and from all branches. These students will all conduct the same training and be held to the same standard throughout the Airborne course.
Airborne School isn't just about jumping out of planes. It's about proving to yourself that you can conquer anything trying to hold you back.
During Tower Week, students are taught how to move in the aircraft with other people, how to exit the aircraft as a group, and how to land safely, hitting all 5 points of contact, how to slip to prepare to land, and also how to recover their equipment on the drop zone.
3 weeks, endless sweat, one shot at those silver wings.
Jump Week is the pinnacle of airborne training, where students will conduct 5 high-performance jumps from an aircraft while in flight. All students will conduct 5 jumps with a T-11 parachute. All students will conduct 1 jump or 2 jumps with common equipment and at least 1 night jump.
Go!
Every jump is a promise that when others hesitate, you move. You hit the ground, stand tall, and roar it out. Airborne, all the way! Because the sky doesn't belong to the fearless. It belongs to those who face fear and jump anyway.
Check static line. You're good. Up, boy. Up, boy. Alright, you're good. Check equipment. Check. Okay. One minute. Seconds.
Heads up.